it's us with Ziggy, and we got a special guest, Jens and Sue. They're with us. This is their second time out with their RV. So as you can see, our setup's in the back. That's their RV, and that's ours. And nice little place. We'll tell you a little bit more about it later on. But very clean, as you can see. There's cement pads, which is really nice. There's a little river in the back, so I'll show you that. A little creek. So here it is when we sit down for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And there's a nice little setup in the back. We can, if we want to, there's a dock so we can do our canoes and stuff. So just wanted to show you a little bit, and we'll talk to you soon. Down the road from the RV park, right across the street from the airport, there's a great little trail. It goes from boardwalk to just trail, back to boardwalk. Very nice little spot to either have a nice run or have a nice walk in the morning. So make sure you check that out.
Scenic boat tour in Naples where we saw dolphins and beautiful homes. We went from Naples Bay to the Gulf of Mexico.
We're doing some fishing. I say we, but it's Jens doing some fishing because I really don't fish. But so far, no luck, but we'll see. The morning's young, and Jens is eager to eat at some point some fish.
I'm expecting fried fish on the griddle center.
And the word is expecting. Make sure you stop at the Naples Visitor Center. They have a lot of good information, and they have tours that you can book, and segways and bicycles, e-bikes, and all that. So make sure you stop by and take a look at what they have available.